Today, I have invited a very special guest, Dr. Kalyani Patil from Navi Mumbai. She has been helping all the women to reverse her PCOS and all other periods related, women's health related problems. So, I have explored everything. I have explored about the Kalyani Patil's profile. She is actually helping all the female by by Ayurvedic or by natural remedy how women can take care of their menstrual problems, and she is also helping women who has got a lot of problems like periods pain, vomiting. So this is the same topic, this is the same niche which what I have written a book called Seven Shades of Red. So I'm sure you must have read my book where I am covering all the period related experience. I am talking about the taboo, the kind of a myth happening for the woman's health. So I have tried connecting multiple experts and doctors, and Dr. Kalyani Patil has given me the positive sign that yes, she can talk about this on my channel. So there we come. That's why we have come here today. So thank you so much, ma'am, for joining my podcast, Corporate Daily Honey and Tech. And I'm so sorry for all that changes in the schedules. So once again, welcome to my podcast, Dr. Kalyani.
Thank you so much, Anisha, for inviting me. And just a small correction, I'm a homeopath.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Yeah.
So ma'am, for us, the people like us who are not from the science background, but for us, homeopath is actually a doctor
Yeah.
because you are actually helping to solve all the health related issues. And women health is actually underestimated. But then, if you help any woman to solve her all the regular problems, so I think women can do wonders in their life. They can handle their personal life, they can handle their
Definitely.
corporate life. So you are actually, I'm not mistaken, you are definitely a doctor. Thank you, ma'am. So let's start with the basic thing. I just wanted to understand, when I was writing this book, uh, basic cheese periods. What do you think about the periods? The normal concept about the period. If you can just start with the basic, ma'am.
Yes, yes. First of all, I'm really very happy to be here today because conversations like this, like topic of period, they will definitely break the silence around women's health. And it will remind every woman listening that you are not alone in this journey. Because, see, as you rightly said, there is a taboo. Because from generations, it periods, they are thought about something impure.
Hmm.
So people still in this generation also find it difficult to talk openly about this in India. See,
Correct.
you can remember like even पैड्स लेने जाते हैं तो वो छुपा के देखे जाते हैं मतलब ब्राउन एनवलप में या ब्लैक
आज भी
प्लास्टिक में
मेडिकल में यही होता है,
या
रैपर
आज
के
भी ये
साथ
होता
दे।
है या
राइट।
तो क्रैम्प होते हैं पीरियड के तो बोलते नहीं है कि आई एम हैविंग पेन बिकॉज ऑफ पीरियड तो वो सह लेना तो ये सब जो है ऑल दिस क्रिएट्स सम गिल्ट और कुछ तो अच्छा नहीं है इसके बारे में बोलना नहीं है तो ये बातें अभी भी होती है
हम्म।
और इसके वजह से एक्चुअली बहुत सारे मीट्स भी है
हम्म। तो
साइलेंस इट
हम्म।
हैज इट्स कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस.
Right, ma'am. So, ma'am, you must be getting many women visiting you. People are calling you, visiting you to share their problem and get the solution. So, actually, आप जब भी female को मिलते हो, what do you think? How it is affecting their mindset? And is it really affecting their day-to-day life? I to feel that it is really affecting because the way I've grown up, my mother has explained me about the period, and the way I have now I understand this journey. I think this is a womanhood. This is the power of the lady. But then when I grown up, when I started, I was feeling that I'm a weak. बट जैसे जैसे मैं बड़ी होती गई मुझे समझ में आ गया कि ये तो मेरी एक शक्ति है। ठीक है। सो यू आर
Definitely.
ऑल्सो मीटिंग मेनी फीमेल मीन्स दैट्स द योर बेसिक डे टू डे यू आर मीटिंग अ डिफरेंट डिफरेंट फीमेल। सो कैसे है माइंडसेट, क्या है लोगों का, मैम?
Yes, there are so many myths now, like don't wash your hairs, don't enter in
हम्म।
kitchen, don't touch
हम्म।
the pickle. Even you have mentioned all this in your
राइट।
book. Then
राइट।
pain is normal. that creates so much of guilt ना, वो बोलते ही नहीं. I have so many women at their after 40s also they are tolerating the pain. उनको कहा गया कि शुरू पेन तो होता ही है, शादी के बाद पेन चला जाएगा, फिर उसके बाद नहीं गया, बच्चा होने के बाद पेन चला जाएगा, उसके बाद भी नहीं गया, नहीं ये तो होता ही है. तो व्हाट हैपेंस ना, वुमेन दे रेस्ट्रिक्ट देमसेल्व्स फ्रॉम सीकिंग हेल्प. तो वो
Okay.
कभी कभी काफी सारे इलनेसेस है जो फर्स्ट स्टेज में ही अगर डायग्नोस होते हैं तो बहुत इजीली क्योर हो सकते हैं, वो होते नहीं है. दैट इज द लाइक बिगेस्ट ड्रॉबैक ऑफ ऑल दिस माइंडसेट.
दिस इज द बिगेस्ट ड्रॉबैक बिकॉज माइंडसेट है, लोगों को अप्रोच ही नहीं करना है प्रोफेशनल
यस.
एक्सपर्ट को जो उन्हें राइट रेमेडीज सोल्यूशन दे दे.
यस.
You
यस.
perfectly said. So same thing like I have mentioned about this taboos in families. So what do you think how family can support the female? Family का क्या role होना चाहिए? Brother, husband, in fact the female of the house. In fact मुझे ऐसे लगता
यस.
है as per my experience, if family में female of the house is only not understanding, then the male का तो कोई concept ही नहीं होता है कि वो because he doesn't understand that pain and the problem what happens in our
यस.
body. So what do you suggest to the family, to support the woman during this period? What do you suggest, ma'am?
Definitely. Definitely. See, family can change. Like, see, if the father could buy the pads without any embarrassment,
Hmm.
और if the mother could say like, डॉटर को बोलेंगे इट्स ओके टू रेस्ट टुडे, अगर घर में भाई है तो उसके सामने नहीं बात करना है, ये सब छोड़ दो, यू कैन रेस्ट, शी इज हैविंग सम पेन बिकॉज ऑफ हर मेंसेस, दैट्स व्हाई शी नीड्स रेस्ट. अगर ये ओपनली बोला जाए तो मेन को भी पता चलेगा ना, दे डोंट नो ओनली what is this period all about. So to the men who are listening this podcast, you can support, your support, it can turn the periods from the burden to share conversations.
और वो एक इमोशनल
Your
हीलिंग
wife,
होता
your
है.
sister, your friend, yeah, your friend even can definitely freely share with you about her complaints
Right, and
if that
this is
openness is there.
right, and this is kind of a emotional healing to any female means that
Yes,
physical
definitely, because
pain
it's
too
a
will take.
natural, normal process.
Right, right. So, I also go through all these problems. So I just want, but I had never understood the difference between PCOS, PCOD. How does it difference, ma'am? So मुझे पता नहीं. I know that there's some problem which happens to my body, but I have never understood the meaning of PCOS, PCOD. So if you can just show some light and
Yeah.
help us to understand.
PCOS is polycystic ovarian syndrome and PCOD is polycystic ovarian disease. So PCOD is related to ovaries only. Ovary पे cyst आ जाते हैं. You both of the condition they have similar symptoms also, but PCOS goes beyond ovary. It affects whole of the system. So क्या सिम्टम होते हैं इन जनरल, अगर इजी लैंग्वेज में बोला जाए, इट्स अ हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस. तो सिम्टम क्या होते हैं इसमें? इरेगुलर पीरियड्स है, पिंपल्स, वेट गेन है, इवन इनफर्टिलिटी इज ऑल्सो देयर, एंड मूड स्विंग्स
Okay,
होते हैं. या
okay.
एंड हेयर फॉल इज देयर, बट टिपिकल पीसीओएस वाला और पीसीओडी वाला जो हेयर फॉल है वो पर्टिकुलरली दिस पार्ट ऑफ द हेड.
Okay, so you are saying PCOS is a serious than the PCOD. So PCOD
Yes.
it comes
Yes.
at a very younger level, young stage, and then it
Yes.
come goes to
Yes.
the female who's crossing her 40. Is this is my understanding right, ma'am?
No, no. PCOD is very initial stage, but even at I have PCOS वाले 18 20 years के girls भी है. When you are not having proper treatment for PCOD, it turns to PCOS, and when PCOS is not treated properly, it can go to diabetes, heart diseases, or even in rare cases of cancer.
Oh, cancer.
It is
Okay,
that serious. Yeah. So, and it has become an epidemic now. 8 girls out of 10, they are having this problem.
okay, ma'am. Okay. So, ma'am, with
Yeah.
the girls or female who's coming to you, you are giving them a homeopath. Is it kind of a
Yes.
medicine you are doing, or you give some routine timetable? You give them a timetable that what time you have to eat, and so what kind of the counseling and the guidance you provide so that they can reverse their PCOS and PCOD, ma'am.
Yeah. See, what I personally think is PCO is not just a hormonal condition.
Hmm.
It is your body asking for balance, not
Balance.
punishment.
Okay.
Yes, the body is
Okay.
asking for balance because see, the main reason behind this PCOS, why it is rising, it's because of lifestyle.
Because
Late
of the
nights,
lifestyle, huh?
yes, late nights, stress, processed food, packaged foods, lack of exercises. All these things have led to these things. So, what I do at my clinic, I have created a holistic model wherein I
Okay.
give homeopathic medicine, which is natural medicine. Along with that, I give a diet plan, which is specifically created for hormonal imbalance cases. Then I give advice for exercises, and stress plays major role in
Role.
this disease. That's why I said not perfection, but balance should be there in everything, in your emotion, in your physical body, in your routine, everything. That's why
Mm.
lifestyle management, at the same time counseling for your stress management, becomes very very important if you want to really want to reverse your PCOS symptoms.
Okay. So coming to this point, I was speaking to my colleagues and all. Some females say that the irregular periods are very normal. So is it a misconception, or so can you just show some light on this, on the irregular periods? Female is having a irregular period. So what could be the
See,
chance?
period, yes, period should be regular only because it's a your natural body clock.
Hmm.
So when your periods are regular, your health is normal. That is,
Okay.
I for the teenagers, I always tell them it is your monthly health report card.
Health report
If
card,
your
right.
periods are regular, you are healthy.
Then healthy. Right, right, right.
Yes, you no need to do anything for your skin, your hair, anything. If your hormones are regular, your periods are regular, and your skin will glow, your hairs will be strong, your mood will be stable, your concentration, your focus will be nice.
Everything will be
So
stable,
periods
right.
should be regular. See,
So
cycle will vary. Someone will have 21 days cycle, someone will have 30 days cycle, someone will have 35 days cycle. All is normal, but it should be regular.
ma'am, and like genetic and lifestyle. So how do you identify that the problem one female is approaching you is genetic and one female is approaching you is because of the lifestyle? So like if I have to identify that whatever the problem is causing to my body is because of the genetic issue or the lifestyle issue, how should I establish that?
Genes do play a role in this, but the biggest trigger is lifestyle because 30 years back, PCOS cases were not there. Very, very rarely PCOS cases were there. But because 30, 40 years back, the lifestyle also was very, uh, we can say, at slow place. Now the pace has so increased, like school going girls, they also have so much of pressure and stress. So lifestyle is the bigger trigger, but good thing is we can always change our lifestyle. That's in our hand.
Right, that is in our hand, correct, ma'am. So,
Yeah.
how the homeopath can help us, to reverse the situation? For example, one is having a regular period, but then it is having a painful period, having a lot of mood swings, the body
Hmm.
pain and all. So, so how homeopath can help? Because nowadays, like even I am taking a medicine like Meftal Combifline, and all this, but then I want to go for this homeopath solution. I really want to personally meet to you and understand, but want to understand like young girls who's approaching their periods and all and facing this. So how the homeopath can help them? So will you provide a like
Yeah.
15 days
Very
course?
nice question.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
I will tell you. I practice classical homeopathy. What we do in this, we study the personality
Hmm.
because we don't consider only symptoms. We go beyond that, the person behind that symptoms.
Hmm.
So symptoms can vary, as you rightly said. Someone will have only irregular periods. Someone will have regular periods, but then hair fall and weight gain will be there.
Hmm.
Someone will have all the symptoms of PCOS, like mood swings भी है, hair fall भी है, acne भी है, unwanted hair growth भी है, weight gain भी है. तो
Okay.
हर एक case will vary, but
Very.
so there is no fixed medicine in homeopathy.
अच्छा.
according to your symptom, your lifestyle, your nature, your childhood, because your childhood plays major role in building your personality. That way, your thinking pattern, your emotional health depends on how you are born and brought. So we take into consideration all these things. Then your food cravings, how much sweat do you have, how is your sleep, all these things we combine and we search one medicine, which is a constitutional medicine. That means it will cover your emotional, physical, at the same time your pathological. That means your disease symptoms. And one medicine that will cover all these symptoms that we prescribe. So this covers everything. Now, why we do this? That would be your next question.
Right,
There
right.
is a psychoneuroendocrine axis in our body. I will
Okay.
explain you in very simply. Like psych is your thoughts and feelings.
Hmm.
Neuro is your brain, your
Hmm.
CNS,
Hmm.
and endocrine is your hormonal system. So hormonal system. Okay.
Hmm.
So and this is connected.
Hmm.
So whatever thoughts and feelings you have, according to that, CNS, that means your brain gives signals to your endocrine system, that is your hormonal systems. Accordingly, your hormones ये secret होते हैं. Just a second.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. तो
Sure.
डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर थॉट्स एंड फीलिंग्स हैप्पी हॉर्मोन्स ज्यादा रहेंगे बॉडी में या फिर स्ट्रेस हार्मोन रहेंगे. व्हेन यू हैव स्ट्रेस हार्मोन इन लार्जर क्वांटिटीज, इट गिव्स राइज टू मेल हार्मोन्स. एंड मेल हार्मोन जब भी बढ़ते हैं तभी पीसीओएस पीसीओडी के सिम्टम आते हैं. फीमेल हार्मोन कम होते हैं, मेल हार्मोन्स बढ़ते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई देयर इज अनवांटेड हेयर ग्रोथ, there is mood swings, impatience, irritability, male type of baldness, like hair fall from this particular area, ovulation नहीं होता है, that's why infertility. All these
Hmm.
symptoms are related to rise in male hormones in your body.
Okay.
So we tackle this PNA axis, and
Okay.
according to that we
You
give
pro.
medicine. That's why we can reverse PCOS.
So, ma'am, एक कोई success story who has visited your clinic, had a list of problems, and now, because I've seen the LinkedIn post, I've seen your LinkedIn post and success story, so I'm sure you will have something to tell the corporate Sally Honey and Tech audience.
Yeah, and particularly I have seen ladies working in shift duties and in corporates, particularly banks and ITs. They are facing these hormonal problems. Most of the times I have seen. A recent story I will share. There is a
Hmm.
42-year-old single mother. She
Hmm.
approached me for irregular cycles, hair fall, and joint pain. And she was confused. Is it perimenopause or what it is? We do the sonography and confirm that it is PCOS.
Hmm.
So stress was a major role in her case. So we have given the homeopathic medicine, and along with that, counseling was done. Lifestyle changes were suggested to her. Her periods become regular in 3 months. Her pain reduced, and she started sleeping better because she was having sleepless nights for few months.
Okay.
But what
Okay.
reminded me was like जब वो आई follow up के लिए after 2 months,
Hmm.
she said like I don't feel broken anymore, and that
That's
is the
wonderful.
success
That's a
I will
wonderful. Yeah.
say.
Right. Right. So joint pain, yes, my sister started complaining. So I do connect that they've crossed their 40 and they do have this kind of a problem. So I think I must recommend my sister to
Yeah,
visit you. Sure. So
yeah.
I also understand the emotional intelligence. Like I have seen your profile, like emotional intelligence. See, we women has to handle so many things. It's not just that if we are working, then we will only have to see our corporate life. We have to see the house, the relation, and everything. And we are like multitasking. So emotional intelligence plays a very big role in that. And in that, you are also helping
Definitely.
women. So, can you just help us to understand how the emotional you can help us to understand strong boost our emotional intelligence? How the emotional
Yes,
intelligence
definitely.
can
See, you
be?
cannot separate.
Hmm.
Yeah, you cannot separate emotional health from physical health because hormones and emotion they dance together. So एक ऑफ बीट
Right.
जाता है तो दूसरा स्टम्बल होना ही है.
स्टबल
ओके.
होता ही है.
सो
Right.
व्हाट आई डू इसलिए, और आजकल यू राइटली सेड वुमेन्स आर मल्टीटास्किंग, बट आजकल मैंने वो भी देखा है कि सबको सुपर मॉम बनना है, सुपर वुमन बनना है. एंड आई
Actually.
ऑलवेज टेल कि क्यों प्रूव करना है ये सब. जिनके सामने प्रूव
करेक्ट।
करना है, खुद के लिए अगर कुछ करना है, दैट लव, स्टार्ट लविंग योर सेल्फ, आई से। बिकॉज वुमेन्स है ना, दे लव एवरीबडी, सो उनके लिए, सबके लिए, बच्चों के लिए, मतलब आई नो सो मेनी वुमेन्स, वो बच्चों के हाथ में कैशूज और बादाम देते हैं लेकिन वो खुद नहीं खाते।
खुद नहीं खाते,
आई किसी को,
करेक्ट।
yeah. तो और अगर फीमेल की हेल्थ खराब होती है तो पूरे घर की हेल्थ खराब होती है। दैट्स व्हाई आई गिव फोकस ऑन इमोशनल हेल्थ। लाइक
She
यू
has
शुड बी
to
हैप्पी,
start loving
you should
herself.
enjoy your life.
Right. You have to start loving
Yeah, and
yourself.
when you take, yes, then you take care of yourself, and that is the role model you create in front of your children. लड़का है या लड़की है, वो लड़के को भी पता चलेगा कि मेरी वाइफ की मुझे कैसे केयर करनी है, और लड़की को
Right.
भी पता चलेगा कि मुझे खुद की केयर करनी है, दैट इज माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी।
Right. So, even I spoke about the emotional connection, and also, do you get same kind of like the problems from your patients? Is there any unique problems female has? एनी फीमेल हु हैज विजिटेड यू और जिन्होंने कुछ ऐसे यूनिक प्रॉब्लम बताई है जो आपको लगता है कि लोगों को इसके बारे में पता नहीं है, मतलब एनीथिंग लाइक इमोशनल प्रॉब्लम विच यू कैन जस्ट टेल एंड हाउ टू टैकल दैट सिचुएशन? फॉर एग्जाम्पल लाइक यू सेड राइटली कि ड्राई फ्रूट्स फैमिली को खिलाना है, सब कुछ बेस्ट करना है, यू सेड वेरी, बट खुद कुछ नहीं खाना है, सो हाउ शी विल टेक केयर ऑफ द हेल्थ? तो ऐसा कुछ आपके दिमाग में ऐसा आ रहा है इंस्टेंट क्विक जो आपने एक्सपीरियंस किया आपके पेशेंट के साथ एंड यू वांट टू शेयर कि डोंट डू दिस? और
या,
हम्म।
एक तो परफेक्शनिज्म मैंने काफी देखा है, पर्टिकुलरली पीसीओएस के केसेस में हर चीज परफेक्टली होनी चाहिए उसका, वो फीमेल्स का खुद पे ही प्रेशर रहता है,
हम्म।
घर में किसी और का नहीं रहता है। बट उसके लिए वो इतने पर्टिकुलर रहते हैं कि उसका प्रेशर बन के उनको स्ट्रेस बढ़ता है। तो दैट
हम्म।
आई हैव सीन। एंड व्हाट मेजर पॉइंट इज, व्हेन यू हैव वेट इश्यूज, देन अनवांटेड हेयर ग्रोथ एंड हेयर फॉल, देर इज शेम and
ओके।
sadness,
हम्म।
guilt is there, and they don't use their potential। अगर
हम्म।
कहाँ पे प्रेजेंटेशन देना है या फिर अगर प्रमोशन लेना है, तो उन्हें थोड़ा हिचक आ जाता है कि अरे मैं कर पाऊंगी कि नहीं, बिकॉज ऑफ मूड
राइट, दे
स्विंग्स,
स्टार्ट
बिकॉज ऑफ
डाउटिंग ऑन
ऑल
देयर
दिस थिंग,
पोटेंशियल एंड
पीपल
कैलिबर।
विल सी। हाँ, सो दे डाउट अबाउट देमसेल्व्स। तो वो शेम को ना स्ट्रेंथ में कन्वर्ट करना, दैट इज माय
दैट इज
main
योर।
motto। That's why I shared that earlier thing also. Like that lady, she left her job and she started her own small business, which I shared the example. She told
ओके।
me, I now don't feel broken. So that is the
ओके।
main thing.
So how, so even the corporates provide the doctors, okay, everything is there. But then how in workplace become like more awareness in the PCOS? What do you think? I was just thinking that the corporate should invite the homeopath or people like you who create an awareness to build a woman confidence and make a woman more independent. So what do you think at the workplaces how the PCOS and PCOD awareness can be created?
Yeah, simple things can be easily done. Like workplaces, they can have a small stock for sanitary pads in washrooms. They can allow flexible leave for painful periods, and they can create awareness about, as you rightly said, about awareness lectures of doctors and specialists. These small steps can make women, they can feel seen. Yes, uh,
Hmm.
we've been taking care of. That feeling, that it's itself, it is empowering.
Okay. So, ma'am, what message you want to give to the young girls who's just starting their young, like, who's expecting, like, even I have a family members, my niece, they are expecting their period. So, what message would you like to give to the young girls?
Yeah, I will tell them, don't fear your body. Track your cycles, eat well, rest well. Your period is your monthly health report card.
That's perfectly. I will definitely put this into my reels. This is very important and very good message to all the female that this is a health report card. Thank you, ma'am. And so the second last question is like, what are the some simple tips, for the everyday? So if you can just distribute your tips for girls like from 20 to 30, then 30 to 40, and then 40 plus, because perimenopause and all that phase will come. So if you can suggest your tips, distribute these tips between this period.
Definitely, there are very simple things. If you follow this, your hormones will be in sync with your body cycle, hormonal cycle. See, you should have your fixed waking time and bedtime. You should have your fixed lunch time, dinner time, breakfast time. अगर ये सब सिंक में होता है ना, आपके बॉडी साइकिल बहुत अच्छे से जाती है.
Hmm.
एंड share whatever stress is there, just share with whoever is nearby, dear one, or write
Okay.
it down and destroy it. अंदर मत रखो.
So I think nowadays people, like you said, you rightly said that सबको सब कुछ करना है. They want to prove someone. तो इसीलिए ये जो attitude, ये जो approach है, even because of this effect of social media and everything, the young girls has this approach that I will solve my problems on my own. So sometimes they don't even discuss. They might be discussing with their friends, but they don't know how to approach because they are just beginning it. You rightly said this. Last, ma'am, just want to know, like, if you want to describe Seven Shades of Red, Seven Shades of Red. So, what do you think? What message you want to give to the audience about this book?
Yes, yes. See, I have read this book and it is very beautifully written by Hanisha, because every woman who will read this book ना, she will relate to it. बहुत easy language में personal experiences share किए हैं, तो you can just relate it. And जो भी males ये book पढ़ेंगे, they will start understanding women in their life. And अगर एक sentence में बोलना है ना, so, this book turns the silence into strength, and it helps every woman embrace her body with pride.
Thank you so much. This feedback really mean a lot. ये बुक जब लिखा था तभी इसी पर्पस के साथ लिखा था that it should help a guide. It should become like a guide to the young girls and who are lowering down their confidence and they don't know. So the complete approach was decided, and hearing from the perfectionist and the expert these words, it makes a lot. I mean, it's really mean a lot, ma'am. Last, but just if anyone wants to approach Kalyani ma'am, so how they can connect. So I am sure I'm gonna write your clinic address in my session. Like how they can connect you. One is on the social. I mean, they can take an appointment through the call, and how they can connect. Anything you want to talk about your clinic, your services, your help provided. So I will. It will definitely help to reach many people, ma'am.
Sure. Yes, my clinic is located in Navi Mumbai, Kalyani Homeopathy Holistics, and I am practicing since last 2 decades. And I have this holistic approach which I have earlier talked about. I will share a number with you, Hanisha. You can
Yes, the
share
number will
that
be
on
displayed
this
on the
board.
screen. Don't worry. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. So you can contact us, and we do give 10 minutes free consultation call. So you can clear your queries also, and then you can decide about and if you have any queries about treatment, because we give homeopathic medicine along with diet plan and exercise advice and stress management, and we do have online offline both the types of services, and we courier the medicines.
Courier the medicine. So Proacto
Yes.
या ऐसी कोई ऐप में मैम registrations वगैरह है या directly we can
या
just call you?
प्रैक्टो पे है मेरा
Practo, yeah.
और मेरा फेसबुक पेज भी है.
Okay,
यू
so
कैन
I'll
कनेक्ट टू दैट.
definitely
या
share this
इंस्टा,
Facebook
यूट्यूब.
details. Right,
या
right,
या
right.
या
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much once again for your valuable time. And definitely, your and my collaboration will help us to reach many women whom we can help us, who can help them with my book and with your homeopathy services. I'm sure we will reach out to many people. Thank you so much for your time, ma'am. Have a pleasant evening. Thank you.
या. थैंक यू सो मच for having me here today, because I truly believe that every conversation we have about periods, PCOS, or women's health is a step towards breaking the century-old silences.
Right, 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 right.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.